Welcome to Digital Explainer Hub. Let's dive right into applying search engine optimization.
For anyone in digital marketing or e-commerce, this is the question you have to answer. Here's our game plan. We're going to walk through the key steps to boost your search performance. And it all starts here. Before any tricks, you've got to create amazing content. So what makes content great? Well, Google lays out 5 keys for an awesome user experience. At the end of the day, your job is simply to answer that search query better than anyone else. All right, let's talk images. A little optimization here can land you right in Google image search. The big one here is alt text. It's basically a description that helps everyone understand the image. So please, don't just stuff it with keywords. A simple, clear description like this is way better. Also, use descriptive file names and make sure those images load fast. Super important for users. Okay, let's build that perfect little preview you see in search results, starting with the title. Your title is that crucial first impression, so make sure it's accurate, unique, and descriptive. Right below the title is the meta description. It's just a quick summary of your page. The goal? Write something that tells people what's inside and actually makes them want to click. You've definitely seen these, right? The ones with stars or prices? Well, there's a way to get them. They're called rich results, and wow, they can really make your link pop on the page. The magic behind them is structured data. It's just some simple code that explains your content. You can use it for products, reviews, events, all sorts of stuff that grabs a customer's attention. So you've done all this work, but how do you know if any of it is actually paying off? Well, meet your new best friend, Google Search Console. It's a free tool that shows you everything. Getting started is pretty easy. Here are 5 simple steps to get you up and running with it. Inside, you'll see these 4 key metrics. Understanding them is absolutely crucial for success. When you put it all together, great content, smart tweaks, and tracking, you're building a solid foundation. All right, now you have the playbook. So what's the first move you're going to make?